Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best garden carts that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Gorilla Cart's Garden Dump Cart. If you're looking for a heavy-duty garden cart that can handle your rugged backyard, then you may want to take a look at this Gorilla Cart. It's made of durable poly material in the bed with a strong frame design. Plus, this cart has 4 wheels filled with foam that can easily roll over roots and rocks without damaging the cart. What's even better is it has an easy-to-empty design where you can simply tilt the cart to remove your soil for the garden. You can transport this cart by either holding the handle or by hooking it onto an ATV or lawn tractor. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Sunnydaze Utility Steel Garden Cart. This garden cart is the perfect middle ground between price and performance. Being just 40 pounds and fairly sturdy, according to reviewers, you can easily use this cart for multiple purposes, such as transporting fruits and veggies from the garden to your kitchen or bringing your chickens dinner in their coop. This cart also has a powder-coated finish, making it resilient to various weather conditions. You can even turn the padded handle 180 degrees to easily roll the wheels over uneven ground. This is even a foldable cart, meaning the sides go down to make room for larger garden items. Although this cart is described as being difficult to assemble, with unclear instructions, it seems to be worth the tough handiwork. At number 3, we have the Vivohome Heavy-Duty Steel Garden Cart. Although this cart is described as being super heavy-duty with a solid, sturdy all-iron mesh bed and steel frame, many buyers seem to agree that its duty level is more medium. This cart has tires that are made to absorb shock and therefore create less noise during rolling. Plus, it's described by many as being easy to move around their gardens. The handles can even turn 180 degrees for you to move in multiple directions. The sides can be removed to create more storage space in the bed to move heavy loads, like bureaus and large bricks. At number 2, we have the Kintness Garden Dump Cart. This classic-looking garden cart is perfect for the gardener who loves to grow plants and flowers in the backyard. This cart is a light 32 pounds and has a handle that can turn 180 degrees, making it easy to maneuver this cart forward and backward. It can even hold a capacity of 600 pounds. In addition, it's made with a durable steel frame with heavy plastic, as well as resilient rubber, pneumatic tires which can handle rugged terrain. Several reviewers say the instructions are bad, but that the cart is pretty sturdy and useful once it's put together. And finally, at number 1, we have the Suncast Resin Multipurpose Cart. Many people seem to love using this utility cart for transporting groceries to and from home, but it's also a great little cart for moving around dirt and mulch. This affordable utility wagon is lightweight and easy to maneuver, according to reviewers. The rolling handle can even be compressed for easy storage in your garage. It's also made of durable resin plastic, which is resistant to water and protects the cart against UV rays. Some people aren't too pleased with how short the cart's handle is, especially since it isn't adjustable. But overall, you get a pretty good garden cart for the price. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.